welcome to City Walk. It is a recreational zone for the whole family and its seasonal was here in Jeddah, Saudi Arabia, started last April 24, 2023 and ended June 7, 2023 and watch out for the next season next year. Okay? Assalamualaikum mga katoto, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video mga katoto, nandito po ako sa City Walk. Dito sa City Walk ng Jeddah and ito nga po, ituturo ko ngayon sa inyo. So ito ay City Walk hanggang bukas na lang po kasi matatapos na another year na naman. So ito, mag-room around tayo dito mga katoto. So ililibot ko kayo at tingnan nyo pa yung mga iba't ibang place dito. So see you, nagkakit kayo. Samahan nyo ako mag-pasyal, bye! Quickly. Let's go. Thank you. Masya sila. Asa na sila? Assalamualaikum. Dito kami sa City Walk ng Jeddah. Pupunta tayo doon. So, ito kami sa bridge. Ayan. Kita nyo. May tubig dito. At
Saka parang may mga fountain. Tawagan na po. Hawakan mo na. Sandali. Kuha lang ako ng 1 minute yan. So, ito, papasok tayo dito sa parang aquarium ito. Mr. Kenneth, shout out sa iyo. So, ito na punta na kami dito sa City Walk. So, ito, kami na yung ito parang digital na kon. Kala mo totoo pero hindi. Ito screen. Screen lamang po. Ito na. Ayan, sa dapat. Naka-live ka din? Nakula ko yan. Ito? Magsala tayo. Ayun, meron nung doon. Yun no? Kaya nung ganun. So pwede ko na naman ipatong to, no? Patayin ko pa ba? Hindi na. Hindi pang YouTube to isa. Gagawaan ko na mong phone. Sayang naman pinunta dito. Hindi ka makakuha na. Ito ka na. So ano yung nandiyan sa loob? Ano yun, friends? Pa-picture. Picture yan. Sa loob. Ayun na sa loob. Ito, nilipot namin kayo dito. So, meron pa sila. Yan. Yan lang, carnival recipe, barbecue, puso. Ang maganda. So, may palaro din sila dito. Wala. Wow, big. Nanalo siya sa very big.
Okay, lalo na.
Well, sana mga kasama ko nandun.
Let's go up in the game!
Ito po si Kabayan. Kabayan sa YouTube to ha. YouTube channel ko.
I'm now gonna play! One ball inside to it!
Kabayan natin. Wow, nanalo siya oh. Si Kabayan. Chinese office. So, nandito na tayo sa Wonder Wall. Ayan. Oh, low-low pa pala to. So, malaki-laki rin pala itong city walk. So, oh, dito na. Wonder Wall. So, ano to? Dito. Oh, dito ah. So, Fashion Village to. Ayan ang Fashion Village. Kala ko lang daw.
Let's see what this does. Nope, I think it's this one.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why they say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display. On repeat in your brain till you're feeling no more pain. Never slow yourself down, you can do some more. Push past all the pain and you'll find a door. Open it up and finally explore everything that you thought you could never do before. And even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go.
Aming pagbisita o pag-tour dito sa City Walk ng Jeddah. So every year lang po itong nangyayari. So ito po yung mga kasama ko, si Yusuf, si Jalil, at saka si Saidi. So hanggang sa muli, paalam. Sa mga hindi pa nakapag-subscribe, mag-subscribe po at paki-press na rin yung notification button, yung bell button po para ma-notify kayo sa mga susunod po pang mga video. Paalam, ya, salam!